So hello guys, today we are visiting Purana Kila. This is Purana Kila complex and this is mosque inside Purana Kila. I think this is mosque. We will go inside. So let me first tell you about Purana Kila. Let me first tell about its history. It is said that the Indraprasth, the capital of India, it is where it used to be situated as excavated by ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. So its history goes back to 3rd century BC, even before Mauryan era. Later on, Humayun, the second Mughal emperor, he built many buildings here. When he was defeated by Sher Shah Suri, Sher Shah Suri also added many changes to the buildings here, and he also completed this structure, also completed the construction of Purana Kila. It is complete complex as visible from here, and this mosque seems to be beautiful. So this is the mosque inside Purana Kila, as I was telling you, and this mosque is in very good condition. It was built by Sher Shah Suri in 1541, and its length and breadth is 51 into 15 meters. You can see here pigeons. In comparison to other buildings in this complex, this mosque is in very good condition, and that once used to be house, I think, water tank, that round. Let me show you inside interior of this mosque. This is the interior. The ceiling so high. Now it is not functional. Once it used to be functional mosque. And I am very surprised why I see so many David stars. It's like David stars. You can see here the star, and Jews also use this symbol and they call it David star. And this David star is also seen in almost all of the buildings, ancient Mughal era buildings or Sultanate era buildings. I don't know what is the relation between this David star and the star used by Muslim sultans. There must be some relation. This is Mihrab. This is where once Imam used to lead the prayer. This mosque just outside the Purana Kila is a functional mosque. Namaz is allowed here, and there is a well for wuzu, ablution, and the muazzin is calling azan behind me. It is Maghrib prayer time.